I mean, I think the approach over the last sort of 12 to 18 months has been focused on really this sort of plumbing of it, which is things like automated content recognition and set-top box integration, things like that. But I think what's been missed through all of that activity is how to deliver a compelling end-user experience. Right? I mean, that's what's going to make this business work. That's what's going to engage the audience, which will lead to advertising opportunities. And so this notion of augmented television, I mean, the question we've always asked is, well, augmented by what? What content are you going to deliver to the user that's relevant and timely on the second screen? And we're uniquely suited to do that in that we have the ability with our Media Cloud technology to ingest and index all kinds of content, audio, video, text, image, slideshows, and dynamically present those to the user based on what they're seeing on a television broadcast. So it has a wide range of application, including things like live sports broadcasts, entertainment, financial news, all the way out to sort of more scripted entertainment content. Live is a more recent offering. When we were here at CES last year, the #1 thing we heard from broadcasters was, we need a solution for live. Live is the most valuable content that they produce. And so live presents a whole set of unique challenges because of the real-time nature of it. And most solutions aren't good at handling live. And we knew that we had a set of technology that could do that very effectively. And so that's what we worked on in 2012 and are bringing to market here over the course of the next few quarters. What we announced this week at the show is our new rule engine called MetaQ, which allows us to dynamically associate related content with what's happening on a broadcast in near real time. Video is both an amazingly valuable content format and also an amazingly challenging content format. Unlike documents, it doesn't present data to be easily indexed by Google and the big search engines and the social sites. It's a very opaque content format because it's a binary video file. So what you need to do to make video perform on a web where text still matters a great deal is to wrap it with rich metadata, transcripts, tags, and all of those things. And that then makes it very searchable, very discoverable, and allows you to associate those videos with other content items and vice versa. I think the holy grail of the web in general has always been knowledge of users and knowledge of content. And if you can intersect those two bodies of data, that's where you can create tremendous value. And there's been a lot of investment in sort of the knowledge of the user. That's personalization and behavioral technologies. But knowledge of the content has lagged behind quite a bit. And certainly with video, it's even more challenging because of the complexities of video as a content format. And so being able to create all of that data and intersect it and get intelligence from it allows you to create a richer user experience, make the content more discoverable and engaging, and ultimately lead to advertising opportunities, relating specific advertisements to what's in the content, and therefore driving the relevancy of those ads to the end user. That will induce them to want to consume that advertising content more readily if it's relevant to what they're watching or what they're interested in. It starts with a particular piece of video content where we're able to generate time-coded transcription and derive tags from that, so people, places, and things that occur within the video. We do thumbnailing, so we can create a scene manifest for the video. So think of that as almost a barcode of metadata that we can wrap around a particular video object or broadcast. That then unlocks all of the value, because now we can make it searchable, we can associate other content with that video, and so on and so forth. So that's really the kind of rocket science behind what we do. But that then extends into these user experiences that we help our major media customers deliver and therefore create more value.